What a view. This is your view from Jumeirah Lakes back towards Jumeirah Lake Towers and Dubai Marina. And you're going to now check out this fabulous 4-bedroom townhouse. But quite frankly, it's more like a twin villa. You can even put a swimming pool here in the garden. Just check out this massive space down here. I'm going to turn around. You can actually get a feel for what we're looking at here. So this is your garden. It's a really nice higher elevation than most of Jumeirah Lakes here, and you're looking straight out towards, there we go, that's like towards the Sheikh Zayed Road, and you've got at the end JLT, and then as you come up to Dubai Marina, and then if you go straight out down there, that's straight onto the Palm Jumeirah. So we're very close to the center of it all. And this is your garden here, and you can see we're elevated. Just so you know, that house in front of us sold recently at 10 million dirham. The property prices for this house I'm in are in the description below of this video, so check out the description below. You'll see the plot size, the built up area, and the price. But yes, you can put a swimming pool in here. This is your grounds. But anyway, let's now come back into the actual property. So I am here stood on the terrace of the master bedroom. And by the way, you can close this terrace in if you wanted. A lot of people have done that. I think that would be quite good as a dressing room for the main master. So let's walk inside. And this is your lovely double height ceilinged master bedroom. So really, really unique. It's the only bedroom in this property that has that. But look at this, really high ceilings and really nice feel. And you have got a little walk-in dressing room at the moment here. And then this is your master bathroom. So you've got bath and shower. And again, your view out to the city. So really, really nice. And I'm loving the interiors of this house. So this has been lived in for many, many years. So again, you can always see there's been a lot more attention to detail because this has been someone's home. So this is 4 bedrooms. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms. We've seen the master. This is the family room. Some people choose to close this room. Personally, I think it looks really, really nice to open. Those are the stairs going down. And that is the family room there. And then this is one of the bedrooms. Here we have it. Now out to the back here is actually the brand new project development that is going to be coming. That's the new Jebel Ali racecourse that's going to have a central park and cycle tracks and a whole new city. This is another bedroom upstairs here. So this is the 2nd bedroom. And again, just to show you what's coming, and there will be a pedestrian bridge very close to this house when this whole thing is finished in 10 years across the road. But what is the value for this property, which will go up more, is that you will be able to walk across the pedestrian bridge into this massive central park area of the future. So there's a lot more value coming to these properties yet. And then if we go back down here, you've got the shared ensuite for these 2 bedrooms. So that is the master bedroom, family room upstairs, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 with a shared bathroom. So now let's walk downstairs and we can check out what is coming here. So here we go. So that's the upstairs we've just walked, and let's go and show you as if we're walking in from the front door. So here's your front door. When you walk in, you've got one room off here. That's the stairs we came to, the kitchen and the main living area. So this is one of the rooms. Now this is considered a bedroom, but what's actually happened is they are using it as a study, which is actually really, really nice. So it's 4 bedroom plus maids, this house, with this being potentially bedroom 4. So it's up to you if you decide to use it as that or not. And then if we walk around here, if you walk down here, you've got the kitchen, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's a German designed kitchen, all Siemens, and really, really nice and clean on the eye. Lovely and large and spacious. So that is your kitchen. Just show you, you've got built-in fridge, wine holder, cooker. So it's just really, really nice space there. And if I walk back into this main hall here, you've got the lounge here. Again, really nice spacious ceilings and height. And just so you know, you can see the kitchen goes a little bit further than this lounge. If you wanted, you could extend this lounge further out. So you can get approval from the developer to do that. So let's just take a walk outside in the garden. So that is artificial grass. You've probably seen that on quite a few of my videos, because remember, the climate here is very, very hot. So you've got to understand that, you know, it's going to cost money and effort and time to be watering every single day, especially if you're traveling for a month or two in the summer months. So a lot of people do choose this really nice artificial grass, or, you know, you could put a swimming pool in as well. And then you've got this barbecue bar area here, which is really nice. And there we have it. So that's the house from here. There's the barbecue. There's lots and lots of space here. So that would be the area that you could potentially extend the house if you wanted. And then upstairs you could extend that as well. And then this is your side gate through to the front of the house, where you have 2 car park spaces. So there's one more part I haven't shown you. Let's just walk through here so we can see. I'm just going to walk you back through so you can see the maid's room and the laundry, just to give you a full idea of the house. So just going to come back. There's storage under the stairs here, so I think storage is always useful. See where that is. Then as you walk down here, you've got a bathroom, so that's your ensuite bathroom. And then in here you've got your washing and dryer. That's your laundry. There's a place for everything in this house. It's a very organized house. And then this is the maid's room in here with an ensuite. And what I love is they're actually not using it as the maid's room, so they're using this as a really nice guest room there. And then that is it. So to come and view this property, if this is something that floats your boat, it's a beautiful, beautiful home, really nicely looked after, lived in by the family for the last 10 years or so, and they are moving because they are downsizing. But we would love to show you around this house. And if you want some more information about buying a property, don't have a bank account here yet, we can help you with all of those questions. So get in touch. My details are below. You can press on the link. It will come directly through to me personally, and I'd love to help you and potentially welcome to your new home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, press subscribe to the channel. Take care.